Hello guys, welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. In today's video, let's talk about how to auto-translate on Rednote. Now, in Rednote, it already has an English version with its language. If you check out different features over here, you could see that most of it or majority of it is in English. But of course, such as this one over here on our screen, majority of them are in Chinese. For example, this one, you can see that it's in Chinese, and if you check out the comments, majority of it is going to be in Chinese. So how do you auto-translate, or how do you read or have the different text on here translated for our English users? So what you're going to do is you're going to need to have Google Assistant installed on your cell phone. After that, you should click your home over here, which will pop up this Google Assistant options that you have over here, and click on Translate. It will translate everything on your screen, as you can see. Although the downside of this is that you can't use or you can't move around your Rednote while having the auto translator enabled, but at least you could read or see the translated version of whichever screen you're looking at. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.